Welcome back. This is a fourth question which we are discussing about break-even point, about profit volume ratio, and about the sales unit to earn a profit of rupees 90,000. That will be discussing in this kind of video. Like before going to this question, please kindly check question number one, question number two, question number three, and you just come back to a question number four. Please don't skip even a single video so that you can't able to understand a concept much better manner. For the purpose, I have given the link in that WhatsApp group. Kindly check it out so that you'll be get a proper idea how we can able to solve the problem with the help of available information. Again, before going to that, please make sure that you know all the formulas so that it will be easy for you to understand the concept, and you'll get idea which formula to use and which formula not to use with the help of available information. Okay. Now let us try to read the questions. From the following particulars, calculate first one, break even point in terms of sale value and in unit. uh, Next one, number of unit that must be sold to earn a profit of rupees 90,000. Okay. They are given a few information like fixed factory overhead rupees 60,000, fixed selling overhead rupees 12,000, variable manufacturing cost per unit it is 12, variable selling price per unit is rupees 3, and the selling price per unit is rupees 24. Okay, with the help of available information we can able to solve the problem, right? Before going to a problem, we have to find what is the total of a variable cost per unit. Okay, as per the information given is rupees 12 plus 3, that gives a total is 15. 15 is a cost per unit for a variable, and again we have to find a fixed cost, right? Fixed cost equals again 60,000, plus 12,000, and total gives around 72,000. Okay, the first step is we have to identify what is the variable cost and what is a fixed cost. Okay, with the help of available information, now we can able to proceed further, right? Again, we have to calculate a break-even point in terms of a sales and in terms of a unit. Okay, with the help of available information, we can able to find a PV ratio, right? If we find a PV ratio, it will be easy for us to follow to get the break-even point value, so that it will be easy for you to find a solution. Okay, before going that, let me try to find a profit volume ratio. Okay, profit volume volume ratio. Okay, if you go with the help of profit volume ratio, definitely equals again selling price per unit minus a variable cost per unit. Okay, all divided by again selling price per unit. Okay, into 100. Okay, this is a formula. With help of available information we are finding a solution. Again, the selling price per unit is already given in the question as a 24. Okay, 24 minus variable cost per unit which we got from through here, it is a 15 rupees. You can just write a rupees 15. We're getting a 15, all divided by we are getting a selling price again rupees 24 into 100. Okay, yes. With help of this, we'll be getting around approximately 37.5%. You can just do calculations. You're getting around 37.5 percentage. Okay, yes. Now it is fine to, like, it is we got a PV ratio, we got a fixed cost, we got a variable cost. Okay, with the help of available information we can able to find a break even value. Okay, yes, come to first one, BEP. I just mentioned the shortcut, BEP bracket value. Okay, BEP bracket value equals again the formula says that fixed cost divided by a profit volume ratio. Okay, so I'm just taking directly profit volume ratio. Again, we already know the what is the fixed cost here. Already information is given. Fixed cost is 72,000 rupees. 72,000. 72,000 divided by PV ratio is 37.5%. Okay, we can just convert 37.5%, or you can just write 0.375. Okay, better I will write 0.375 so that there will be no percentage. You can also follow this kind of a method. Suppose if we divide this, we will be getting around approximately 1 lakh 92,000 92, sorry, 1,92,000 as a break even point as a value, right? Now we have to find a calculate a BEP unit. Open the bracket unit. Okay, sometimes in examination there could be a possibility of asking a value or in terms of a unit. Okay, please make sure that remember this. Again, the formulas it will be a little bit changed. Fixed cost, fixed cost divided by a contribution. Divided by contribution. Again, the contribution consists of selling price minus variable cost. Okay, fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Okay, this information we can able to find a solution. We already know the fixed cost, the selling price per unit also we know, and we also know a variable cost. Okay, the fixed cost we are getting is 72,000 as a fixed cost divided by selling price per unit is 24 minus variable cost we got is 15. Okay, yes, with help of our available information you can able to solve the entire solution divided by again 9. You will be getting approximately as 8,000 unit. 8,000 units as a break even point. Okay, now the next important thing is we have to find is all about the sales unit to earn a profit of rupees 90,000. Okay, the sales a unit to earn a profit of rupees 90,000. Okay, now we have to find a solution for this. Again, sales, open the bracket, unit. Okay, again we go just go back to a formula, find a solution where you can able to get the easy formula. You can just go back. I think I have already forwarded this information or this content to you in previous classes. Please make sure that follow each and everything. Don't skip. If you skip, again, it is a possibility you may lose a few points. For the purpose, kindly follow each and everything so that you will be pakka with that. Okay, we have to find a solution for this. Again, the sales per unit. Okay, equals the fixed cost divided plus profit divided by contribution. Even once if we can elaborate this, it can be also called as this, like a selling price per unit minus variable price per unit. Okay, again, even you can use this formula, or also this formula is almost the one and the same. No need to get confused by seeing the big formulas. Okay, again, we already know the fixed cost is already at 72,000, which is which we got in while go through the entire questions, plus a profit. Okay, the profit information is already given in the question that we have to find here. Profit is already given in the question. Then later we have to identify the selling price per unit as well as variable price per unit. Okay, uh, suppose in the question only they are already given as selling price is 24, minus we got a variable cost per unit is all about 15. Okay, now you just find a solution, that's it. Find a solution so that can able to get, hold on, yeah, can able to get a direct solution equals, again you can put like this, approximately you will be getting, you get 1 minute, 92, 7, 14, 15, 16, 1 lakh 62,000, 1 lakh 62,000 divided by 9, divided by 9, you'll be getting around approximately 18,000 unit, 18,000 unit. We just hold on, let me cross verify. Yes, it is correct. 18,000 unit. Okay. Again, I'll be repeating the question. Again, this is a very simple question. They are given the information in terms of like they are splitted information, especially the variable manufacturing cost per unit and selling price per unit, and they are given that selling price is 24 rupees, and the factory fixed factory overhead and as well as selling overhead. Okay, in order to find a solution, first we have to find what is the variable cost per unit, that we already like we already did it, and we also focused on fixed cost, and later we find a profit volume ratio, so that with the help of available information we can able to find a break even point as well as unit in terms of a value. Okay, now we'll be focusing on the BEP value, which I'll be putting bold. Again, the BEP value and BEP unit, with the help of available information we'll be finding a solution of BEP value, and equals the fixed cost divided by profit volume ratio. The fixed cost is 72,000, profit volume ratio is 0.35. Again, BEP, bakery, sorry, break even unit equals a fixed cost divided by contribution. Even if we can also mention like this, a fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Again, the same thing, 72,000 divided by 24 minus 15, we get around 8,000 as a unit. And later in the question, they already given that we have to find a sales unit if you want to earn a profit of rupees 90,000. Okay, with the help of available information, these are the suitable formulas where you can able to find a solution, and we got a solution. Is it clear? I think I hope you have understood all the concept. Please make sure that you just, if any doubt is there or any doubt or any problem is there, you can just put me a WhatsApp message, or you have a WhatsApp message, or you can just put a feedback, or you just inform to me, so that I will be explaining the like information still more better manner, so that it will be easy for you to understand the concept, so that you can able to solve the more number of problem. I hope this information or this question has been clear. Okay, and I'll be stopping here. So again, I am telling again and again, before going to a question, please kindly read the question carefully and try to understand the question carefully, and later and try to understand the formulas. Here, understanding the formulas is more important. Once if you are under you are pakka with the formulas, definitely you are through with the problems. Okay, please make sure that follow this, and if anything is there, let me know. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Thank you.